Guys, once more, happy new year. Today, for those of you that have been asking how to power two inverter, so we are going to power two inverter and also three inverter. So as I said, it's very easy when you follow your manual step by step. Go through your manual, don't rush. So I'm going to be showing you the cable, especially if you are using Felicity inverter. Their 8 kVA is different from their 5 kVA when you want to power it. So, but this is 8 kVA. If you want to power it, these are the cables that comes with it. This cable on your manual, you can see, is called parallel communication cable. This cable is the parallel communication cable. You can see this is the parallel communication cable. The one in your manual, just take your time, go through your manual, you will understand it better. Then we have this red cable. It also comes with your inverter. It's called current sharing cable. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Maybe this is how it looks like. You can see. Then we also have this RJ45, but there is cable inside. I think somebody also called me that he misplaced his O. How can he get it? I'm also going to be showing you in case you misplace your clip, how to make it yourself. It's very simple. You can make it yourself. We are going to be showing you that, but not on this video. This is called parallel communication connector. So you are going to be using all this cable to power your inverters. So I was also asking me what is the essence of parallel. So immediately after this video, I'm going to give rooms to ask that question, and then we are going to answer you as well. So now, if for instance you are parallel to inverter, the essence of you parallel to inverter, this is 8 kVA and this 8 kVA. Probably you are looking for 16 kVA and you cannot get it, so you can use this particular inverter. If you parallel it, it becomes 8 kVA becomes 16 kVA. They will both share. They will be sharing their load. They will share their load. Let's assume you want to carry 12 kVA load. This particular inverter will carry 6 kVA, while this inverter will carry 6 kVA. But all the same, there also advantage in parallel. One, in a situation whereby you have one or three inverter, maybe you have 24 kVA, and one of the inverter break down, this one will go off, while these two will also share the load. Till when one of the inverter come back for repair or come back from service center, it still be working. So that is one advantage. So, but that is not the essence of we making this video. The essence of we making this video is for those of you who ask us how to power to inverter. So now, just go straight to your manual. If you see this is for single phase light diagram. This for the power connection, while this is for the communication connection. This is for the two inverter, how to communicate to inverter. As you can see, this is for power connection, in case you want to connect the power, the positive, the neutral, the input and the output, they must come from one source, and the output they must also share together from one source. So if you are connecting three, since we have three inverter here, this is how you are going to connect your cable. Each of these cable that we are talking about, as you can see, this is the current cable, and this is the parallel connector, and this other one is the parallel the communication cable. So I'm going to be showing you from this diagram. Even from the head, you are going to be seeing from the head. From this head is showing you that this green cable from this place here, you see that they are already showing you this is how the head look like. This green cable is indicating this is the red. This is the red. This green cable. This held the connector is referring to this particular cable, and this white cable that you are seeing that we are showing you, that is this cable is the red that is traveling from here and from here to this place. And this single connector, they are this this is one here. If you are connecting three inverter together, yeah, one will be here while one will be here. Just simply follow the connection. So I'm going to be doing the connection now, so you see how to pair two inverter. After this, I will also make a video on how to connect to how to connect a three inverter. So let's go. Please, can someone assist me? Let's go. So as you can see, I'm going to be, as you can see, this is for two. Just follow your manual. Don't be scared. I'm starting with this. If you don't know this, I'm starting with this very first one. So please go under. For this under, you can see these two. Please, you can see this our connector. The connector is here. So guy, I'm putting my connector here. This can, just know that it's coming to this can. Wow, you can see. Please come. You can see it's on can. Yeah, guys. Sorry for the mistake. Just follow this top here. It is not going to be on this count. This count, all these ones, they are for the battery. But for it to power inverter, we have this power connection. Just count from this place. There is a 1, 2, 3. This third one you can see, you put it here. So that is it. Come, just follow your manual. As you can see. Then the next one, you use this cable. You see this cable? This is what you are going to use. You take this cable, close, let's come. So now you can see that when you check your, just take a look. So this is coming to this first place here. This first. So come. Let's come. This is the first connector. This is how to power to. There. This last one, you need to block it with this place. You see, place to this place. Place there. We are not going to the current cable. As you can see, this current cable is very simple. You can do it yourself. This current cable, we are looking at this green, this green dot. First, just take a look. First to first, then second to second. It's very simple. So now, if you can take a look, first to what? First. You can see first to first. Then we go back to pick other one. You can see second to what? Second. Second to second. So as you can see, we have done with this parallel. So we have done with this parallel. So we are also going to make video for three inverter. So I jack, we lecture you on that particular theory inverter parallel. So this is Prostar Technical. In case you have any question, you can ask, and you can equally reach us on our phone number 081 60449736. So if there's any question, maybe it's not clear to you, you can ask now.
Sir, please, what's the essence of paralleling the inverter?
Okay, the SS parallel inverter, this is 8 kVA and this is 8 kVA, and you want it to work on a single phase. If for instance, one of the inverter break down, the other one will still be working. So you want to make it 16 kVA, 8 kVA, kVA, so you can make it 16 kVA. Both of them will be sharing load at the same time. If for instance 10 kVA load enter this particular inverter, this inverter will take 5 kVA load, while this will take 5 kVA load. So by the time we start it, you will be seeing the HS. The one that is HS is the master, while the one is SL is the slave. Alternatively, they will be changing themselves. If you all this one become master, and while this one will become a slave. So by the time we power this inverter or battery, we are going to also show you video on what we are talking about. You will understand better. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and remember blessed.